Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to appear offline in Epic Games. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, there are some videos talking about going to settings and disabling some option or enabling offline mode browsing. Okay, if that option is available for you, well, you can go ahead and test it out, but that's not the correct way to appear offline. Okay, as it states here from Epic Games support, currently, the launcher does not have an option to set yourself as offline. So the best way that you can do to appear offline is by doing the true offline approach or just in-game, okay? So for example, in-game privacy. Let's say you're trying to play Fortnite, okay? When you go ahead and open up Fortnite, in the main menu, just set your privacy or party privacy to private or invite only. And that way, you'll appear offline just in-game, not in the Epic Games launcher. Okay? Now, the second one, or the second method, which is the true offline approach, well, you'll have to ensure that you are disconnected from the internet. Okay? For example, you're currently connected via LAN or Ethernet cable, disconnected. Okay? But the problem with that is that you can't play online titles or multiplayers. The only thing that you can play is offline single-player modes or single-player games. Okay, and that is, of course, for some games that are supported to play offline. And again, there is no official invisible mode or offline mode that is similar to Steam or Discord. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.